Hello. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to receive updates when we upload new videos. Presenting the ID.4, which is celebrating its digital world premiere. This is Volkswagen's first fully electrically driven SUV generating zero local emissions and is produced with a carbon-neutral balance. It will be launching into the world's largest market segment, the compact SUV class. The ID.4 is an emotional all-rounder which will impress many customers with its efficient electric drive, generous amount of space, modern assist systems and powerful design, says Ralf Brandstätter, Chief Executive Officer of Volkswagen brand. As the first global electric car, this model will roll out our modular electric drive matrix platform that has been developed specifically for electric mobility the world over. Volkswagen is thus once again demonstrating its leading role in innovation, technology and quality on the high-volume market. SUVs are very popular with an increasing number of customers. They are the most popular vehicle segment in the USA and China as they offer good levels of visibility, safety and comfort. In Europe and Germany, market shares are also continuously on the up and especially compact models are booming. With the ID.4, Volkswagen is offering a fully electrically driven SUV for the very first time. It offers the space, flexibility and all benefits customers appreciate about SUVs. The ID.4 is an all-round talent that can be driven in a sporty, yet also easy and comfortable way. The battery stores up to 77 kWh of energy, net, and enables ranges of up to 520 kilometers. It is installed below the passenger compartment which guarantees a low center of gravity. The electric drive motor, positioned at the rear axle, generates 204 horsepower, enough to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in 8.5 seconds and deliver a top speed of 160 km/h. Thanks to the rear-wheel drive's strong grip and its 21 cm of ground clearance, the eSUV also performs well in gentle off-road terrain. The ID.4's exterior has athletic proportions for an ultra-modern appearance. Its clear, flowing design is inspired by nature and guarantees very good aerodynamics with a drag coefficient of 0.28. Its basic version already features headlights that are almost completely equipped with light-emitting diodes while its tail light clusters have been fully equipped with this technology. As the top-of-the-range version, Interactive IQ, light LED matrix headlights are even more progressive. They welcome drivers with swiveling lens modules and generate an intelligently controlled main beam. These headlights have been paired with the new 3D LED tail light clusters. Their tail light is particularly homogeneous and lights up in an intensive red. The large wheels with a diameter of up to 21 inches underline the vehicle's character.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.